start with some basic operations. এখন আমরা কয়েকটি সাধারণ কার্যক্রম শুরু করব। In these basic operations, mostly we'll do addition and subtraction. এই ক্ষেত্রে এই কার্যক্রমে আমরা মূলত যোগ এবং বিয়োগ করে দেখব। The first one, প্রথমটি 2 plus 3. So as per finger abacus, 2 will start from 0, then 2, 1, 2. After that 2 added with 3. So after 2 there is sum with 3. 2 তার সাথে 3 যুক্ত হবে। So 2, then another 1, 2 and 3. So altogether what I get, it is 5 as per our convention of abacus counting, of finger abacus counting. So this is 5. As same as একইভাবে আমরা এই প্রাথমিক অ্যাবাকাসটিতে দেখতে পারি, in this abacus formation you can see 2, 1 and 2. After that sum with 3. So 1, 2, 3. So altogether this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 like that. The next one, go to all 0 position. The next one, 5 plus 7. So with this abacus beads first of all 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. So another 7. We have taken 5 already. Then another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the 10 bits are completed for the first one, unit position. So make them in 0 and take a 10th position one, that is 10. So we take 5 after that 5, so 2 left from 7. So 1, 2. So what is the sum? 10. That means in 10th position 1 and in unit position 2. So it is 12. 1, 2. 1, 2.